We are at the Kennedy Space Center. There's the ticket booths, kiosks. There's an astronaut. There's the NASA globe.
Yeah, good one to start with, isn't it?
And there's the entrance. Look, everybody's in one line. Yeah, but
We set sail on this because there is new knowledge to gain
plan your day.
and new right to be won. And they must
We're going to walk over here and walk through this rocket garden. You can see a Mercury capsule way up on top of that one. And Gemini up on top of that one. And you can get in a Mercury capsule if you want to wait. Well, we're going to take the bus tour first out to the launch pads, and then we're going to come back in here. I only have about 5 hours here. I can't do it all in 5 hours. But we're going to try to do a lot. I don't think they actually use this yet, but maybe it's being planned. Mars rover. I mean, this is definitely a man thing. Marvin? Mars rover vehicle navigator. And into mission control, where we're going to get a little show here, I guess, covered by NBC, ABC, and CBS.
10, 9, the ignition signal start. The engines are on. 4, 3.
There we go, the truth. All right. So, this is the Apollo capsule. We're going to walk the length of this Saturn V rocket. I've got it in sections. Apollo 11 is the mission that landed on the moon. So here's a lunar sample. We're going to go see the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Alarms out there. So that's the real Atlantis. Canada.
Yep.
You're blasting off into space!
Space station.
Oh, I'm gonna have to crawl.
That was an ordeal.
10,000 feet.
Going?
We marked the unofficial touchdown time at
Oh, I didn't make it. Eating area out here. NASA's jet set. P-38,000. That's not training. So this is a play place for kids, I guess. So Planet Play rules. Adults should use caution when using the play equipment because it was designed for ages 3 to 12. Oh, I think they're crawling above us, right? And there's a slide. Oh yeah, it goes way up, way up. Go into the world's largest space shop for a minute. More of the same, and then some. And an upstairs. And a gantry. Launch simulation. Astronaut training program. Oh, experience, I'm sorry. We're back to Rocket Garden. We're going to walk through there. I think last time we came here, they didn't have this. And I don't really know what it is, but we're going to walk over there. Gateway at Spaceport. So more movies. Vulcan. Live long and prosper. Looks like an inflatable toy, a giant. Why couldn't you? It was full, huh? Cool, man. Hey, Blue Origin. Oh, I see. That's what it is. It's an advertisement. I guess that's a Blue Origin seat. And then this is Boeing. Starliner. This is the one they couldn't get to work. And left the astronauts up on the space station for about a year. And then this is the SpaceX capsule. Blue Origin, there's windows all the way around. The SpaceX, of course, SpaceX actually goes up into space, you know, to the space station. Advertisement, maybe? I mean, I guess I could have booked a Blue Origin or whatever. begin the rocket garden. There's the entrance slash exit is right there on the other side of the rocket garden. Well, they have dramatic music playing at least. And at night, I guess they light that up. No, not that. Those. I don't think they ever light that up anymore. The power of Apollo. United States. USA. USA. Hope I'm getting the tops of those in there. They're really tall. Oh, it's got a mouth on it. I think that's a Gemini capsule up on top of there. And right over here, we have a Mercury capsule. Though I know you can't see it yet. Working space 2x2. Oh, there's a Mercury capsule there. And there's one over here. Well, I guess you can climb in both of them. So, I'm not going to get in there and lay down. But that's what you'd see. So, Heroes and Legends, the Astronaut Hall of Fame. We're going to step in here briefly, because we've got to get back to the bus, back to the airport, back home. By the way, we booked this on our cruise, MSC Seashore Cruise. And I booked it before the cruise for $119. I think they dropped the price a little and then they rose it way up. So, oh, and it's closed. So, from Kennedy Space Center, Visitor Center, by the way, they abbreviate KSC, not KFC, but KSC. I'm Gareth.
I'm Janet. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.